just signed off on the advice for the minimum wage increase. It is now at the, well, will be sent to the Council of Ministers for support, in which I pretty much feel we will get support. I will not divulge any pricing at this moment. I'm telling you guys from now. I know you're going to ask, but I won't, because just know that the increase it's fair. It's based on the CPIs that were that were given throughout the years, and the indexation was not done for it. The reason I don't want to divulge the amount is because it has to, from the Council of Ministers, it goes to the Council of Advice, who would then probably say, Minister, your amount is XYZ, maybe it's too high, we recommend this, we recommend that, and it's up to us now to agree with the Council of Advice or not. So that's why I don't want to give the public any false hope, but do know that an increase is coming. That's what we can say. I also would I'm happy to announce, it was in the media, the ZVOV legislation recently passed in Parliament, raising the wage limit from 68,000 to 120,000, now allowing more persons to be covered under SZV and hopefully help with the depletion of the funds. I'm happy to announce as well, under SZV again, the Council of Ministers just approved the repair laws for SZV. This law entails SCUMO funds, 62 plus, the legalization of referrals. We were operating under the old SBB law, where it was we were only to do referrals to Curacao. So now all of these things we have rectified, and now that will be sent to the Council of Advice, and then we'll go to Parliament for handling, because it is a lot. So we are doing our best, our utmost, and finally seeing some real change to SZV and what I like to refer as the People's Fund.